This lesson covers regular Portuguese future conjugations. All regular Portuguese verbs have one of three endings. They are AR, ER, or IR verbs. There is an exception for the irregular verb por and its derivatives such as impor and supor. So each group of verbs have their own conjugations or verb endings, depending on the tense, mood, and subject being used. The Portuguese subject pronouns are eu, tu, ele, ela, você, o senhor, a senhora, nós, vós, eles, elas, vocês, os senhores, as senhoras. Você and tu are both singular informal versions of you, and the second person plural pronoun vos is archaic and rarely used. Você is often used to replace tu, and it almost always replaces vos due to the latter being obsolete for the most part. And the endings for the singular pronouns você, o senhor, a senhora, ele, and ela are identical, and the endings for the plural pronouns vocês, os senhores, as senhoras, eles, and elas are identical. Under the future as well as the conditional, we keep the verb in its infinitive form, and then to the end of the infinitive we add the respective future or conditional endings afterwards. All three verb groups share one common set of future endings. As, a, hemos, eis, o. For falar, we keep the verb in its infinitive form and then add the future endings afterwards. Falarei, falarás, falará, falaremos, falareis, falarão. For comer, we also simply add the respective future endings to the end of the infinitive. Comerei, comerás, comerá, comeremos, comereis, comerão. And for decidir, we again simply attach the future endings to the end of the infinitive. Decidire, decidirás, decidira, decidiremos, decidireis, decidiro. And that is a basic summary of regular Portuguese future conjugations. I again apologize for any mispronunciations I may have, as I am not a Portuguese speaker. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.